Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Deepstash and Blinkist. Deepstash and Blinkist are both popular apps for people who want to keep learning every day, but they work in different ways and suit different types of learners. Deepstash focuses on sharing short and powerful ideas from books, articles, and other sources. It's built around small idea cards that explain key thoughts in just a few lines. You can scroll through different topics like motivation, success, relationships, or productivity and save the ones you like to your personal collection. The app also suggests new ideas based on your interests. Deepstash is easy to use, looks simple, and is great for people who like learning quickly during breaks or while on the go. It's also free to start, though the premium version gives more features than offline access. Blinkist, on the other hand, turns off non-fiction books into the summaries that take about 15 minutes to read or listen to. It covers thousands of books from different categories such as business, science, health, and personal growth. Blinkist also offers an audio version of every summary, which is perfect for people who prefer listening while driving or exercising. The app has a clean design and lets you highlight or save summaries for later. It's subscription-based, but many users find it worth it because it saves time while still giving valuable knowledge. Overall, Deepstash is best if you enjoy short, inspiring ideas that give you a quick boost of motivation or insight. But if you prefer understanding the main lessons of full books without reading hundreds of pages, Blinkist is the better option. Both apps help you learn faster. Deepstash keep it light and quick, while Blinkist give a bit more depth and structure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.